wat else? Ons is terug by oppervlakte en volume van Prismas. So if you look at this prism over here, it's a hexagon. So it means that the base of this three-dimensional figure, it's got 6 equal sides with 6 equal angles. So you can divide this hexagon into 6 equal, exactly the same size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just check it out. 1, 2, 3. Let me just redraw this quickly to make sure it's in hexagon. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, like that. That's better. Hexagon. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, exactly the same triangles. And the sides of this triangles, if this is 2 meters, dan gaan hierdie wees 2 meter, 2 meter en 2 meter, want dit is 'n reëlmatige figuur. So, die eerste vraag is, werk die oppervlakte van die basis uit en los jou antwoord in wortelvorm. Work out the area of the base and leave it in insert form. So if you look at this base, that's sitting at the bottom as well, then we're going to work out the perpendicular height, want ons het nodig om die oppervlakte van een driehoek uit te werk. So kom ons gaan kyk, if we draw a perpendicular height out of the vertex, dan beteken dit hy halveer daai 2 meter sytjie na 1 meter toe. So as ek daai oppervlakte van die driehoek wil uitwerk, dan sê die helfte van die basis. Goed. Helfte van die basis maal met die loodregte hoogte. So eerste ding wat ek gaan uitwerk is die basis of the height, the perpendicular height over there. I need the perpendicular height. That's what I need. So ons gaan kyk, we're going to use Pythagoras. We're going to work out the height, square. And we've got the hypotenuse, is 2 kwadraat. Minus, en dan ons daai kort sytjie, it's 1 and 1, minus 1 square. So that's going to be 4 minus 1, and that equals 3, and the height is then going to be the root of 3. So nou het ek die loodregte hoogte, nou kan ek die oppervlakte gaan uitwerk, so die oppervlakte van een driehoek is die helfte van die basis, wat 2 meter is, maal met die loodregte hoogte, wat wortel 3 is. So, die oppervlakte van een driehoek is wortel 3. Now you can multiply the total area with, you can multiply one of them by 6. So it's 6 root 3. That's the total area of, let me just make sure, total area, and that's in meters. Don't forget your unit, that's meters squared, buite oppervlakte. Volgende vraag is, determine the volume of this figure. Now, if you want to determine the volume of a three-dimensional figure like that, you always take the area of the base times the height. Okay, this is this height now. So I've got the area of the base. Okay, that's my total area. That's the area of the base. So I've got that already. 6 root 3, and now I'm going to multiply it with the height. So 6 maal 5 is 30, so it's 30 root 3, and the units is now cube meters. That is my volume. The last question is determine the surface area of this hexagon prism, hexagon-based prism. And round your answer to 2 decimal places. Die buiteoppervlakte. So ek soek die buiteoppervlakte, the surface area. Surface area. So I've got the area of the base and the top part. So the area of that is 6 root 3, and there's there's 2 of them. So there's going to be 2 of them. Okay. And now I'm going to add, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rectangles. That's going to be identical because this is a regular polygon. So ek gaan hê my reghoeke is daar 2 maal 5 en is reghoeke en daar is 6 van hulle. So ek gaan hê 6 maal 2 maal 5 and now I'm going to work this out. 12 root 3 plus 60 and then I can put it into my calculator and I can get it as 80,78 square meters. The surface area. That means the outer side of this whole figure. Kom ons gaan kyk na hierdie prisma. Nou hierdie prisma het 'n trapezium. Hy het 'n trapezium as 'n basis, A, B, C, D, want hy is aan die onderkant ook. En dan gaan hy reëlmatig op boontoe. So it's definitely a prism. So if we look at this trapezium, we need to, the first question regarding that is show that the area of ABCD equals 7.5 square meters. Wys dat die oppervlakte van my basis trapezium gelyk is aan 7,5 meter kwadraat. En onthou julle uit die vorige les, that the theory that we did the formula to calculate the area of a trapezium, and we said if this is the parallel sides, we mark that as A and B, then the formula to determine the area of a trapezium is the area of the trapezium will be half of the sum of the 2 parallel sides, and then you multiply it to the perpendicular height. Goed, so wat ons gaan doen is, we're going to see what do we got. We've got A, we've got B, now we need the perpendicular height. Maar gelukkig is daar 30 grade hoek vir ons daar gegee. En ons ken tog ons trig baie goed. If you've got a 30-degree triangle, it's a 90, 30, and that one must then be 60. That's one of our special triangles. En ons weet dat hierdie ouetjie wat reg oor ons staan se naam is H. And we know that that guy, it's 90-degree, is my hypotenuse, so hy is 2 eenhede groot. So dan kan ons mos baie maklik vir H gaan bereken. So let's do that. What's the sinus of 30 equals the opposite on the hypotenuse. En ons weet dat die sin van 30 is gelyk aan 'n half. So daarom is H gelyk aan 1. Okay, we know that. That's our special angle. It's not necessary to use a calculator at all. Ons weet mos is 'n spesiale hoek. Of jy kan maar gaan sê, as jy die 2 oorvat, is dit 2 sin 30 en die sin van 30 is gelyk aan 'n half, so 2 maal 'n half is 1. Okay, very easy. So that's then 1 meter. That's my height. So nou kan ek die oppervlakte van my trapezium gaan uitwerk. A plus B is 15 maal met my loodregte hoogte. So die helfte van 15 is 7,5 vierkante meter. There I've proven it. It's true. It's definitely true. That is the value of the height. And now they ask, determine the volume, die volume van hierdie prisma, die volume. Okay, so the volume again for any prism is the area of the base, die oppervlakte van die basis maal met die hoogte. So ons het die oppervlakte van die basis daar uitgewerk en nou gaan ons hom maal met die hoogte en ons sien hier is die hoogte 6. So ons kan 7,5 maal met 6 en dit gee vir ons 45 en onthou, volume is meter tot die derde mag. Cube meter, that's volume. And regular prisms like this is very easy. You must just calculate the area of the base and multiply it with the height. Graad Els, julle kan sien hoe belangrik is dit om maar ons formules te gaan leer van ons trapezium, ons parallelogram ensovoorts, dat dit nie vir ons 'n probleem is om die oppervlakte van die basis uit te werk nie. I'll see you just now and then we're going to do the cylinder.